So we are certainly no strangers to a Land Rover Defender. We have another one arrived with us today, and it's a great spec, this one. It's a Land Rover Defender D250 SE, so they come with some nice options as standard. It's also got some nice options ones as well, the big one being that sliding panoramic sunroof. It's a 73 plate, done just over 11,000 miles, so low mileage, and you've got plenty of manufacturer's warranty that'll see you well into the latter part of 2026. It's finished in Santorini Black, and with my experience, Santorini Black is a great seller when it comes to Defenders. There's got a nice contrast on the silver bumpers and also the badging as well. A lot of them these days have black badges, but it's quite nice to see that as a bit of contrast. You've got the contrasting wheel arches, and then the first option or upgrade you'll see is you've got the 5-arm spoke, 20-inch alloy wheels, and they're finished in gloss black as well. Fixed side steps, and obviously you've got the black roof rails and privacy glass, so very stealthy looking car. And when you get to the back, the main reason we sell a lot of these Defenders is because of the amount of space that you have. They're a great family SUV. You've got loads of space in the back, so they've got 2 ISOFIX points on the outer seats, but there's plenty of leg room for everyone who's involved. And then when you do get to the boot, you've obviously got plenty of boot space as well. Full-size spare. And another option we're going to get to is this one comes with a detachable tow bar. So again, perfect if you are a family who likes to go caravanning, you have a trailer, horse box, whatever it is, any kind of leisure, you've got that in there. So plenty of space for suitcases, whatever it is you do on a weekend or even daily activities, you can put that in there, no problem whatsoever. Rear view camera and aerial view camera, I'll show you that when we get to the front. But with 11,000 miles on this car is in the condition you'd expect. It's practically brand new. Then we get to the front. Meridian sound system, you'll notice some speakers before we actually get in, and you'll also notice the seats there, electrically adjustable, and they come with memory settings. So if this is going to be the main family car, you're not having arguments over who's moved the seat and left it in the wrong place. You've got lumbar support on there as well. Side steps do make a difference to get in and out of, but for me they do change the look on the outside as well. Exact mileage is 11,104, so hardly any miles. You've got that digital display as well. On the steering wheel you've got your lane keep assist, cruise control, but that's also adaptive, which is a good feature, especially if you're going to be doing motorway miles. That's a lot of the time people question, does it have that? This one does. Dual zone climate control. You've got your tablet across the middle as well, which has your navigation, phone, digital radio, etc. Also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android if that's what you prefer. I mentioned it outside, but you've got a rear view camera, aerial view camera, and there's also a towing mode as well. So that will help with where the tow ball is. You can help and make that easier to drive with and so on. Underneath the armrest, plenty of space, cubby holes. One thing I do like about this, it's a small feature, but having kids myself, USBs all over the place. So if you are going to be travelling long distances, you need to charge iPads, tablets, whatever it is, phones, then you can do that no problem. Great looking car inside and out, and obviously you've got that full sliding roof, which does make a big difference. Some of them come with no roof, some of them are fixed, but a sliding roof for me does make a huge difference to the interior, how much light it gets in, but especially on a sunny day like today, you're going to get a lot more air in as well. It is for sale like all our cars are, and as I explained before, black Defenders do sell very quick. So if you are interested, you can contact myself, my number's below, and I look forward to speaking to you.